Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. We're back with another video about top 5 gorgeous updos for medium length hair. The number one is Gatsby Girl, and it is recommended for the hair. The hairstyle can be adopted by any face shape but with mid-range hair. The number two is Twisted Edge. This awesome hairstyle will go absolutely stunning for all face shapes. The only requirement is that hair with medium length. The number third is Curls to Remember. Well, curls to remember will work for every face shape. You just have to own natural curly hair. Messy French Twist. Messy French Twist works absolutely fine with all face shapes. It is great to fine to thick hair, but if you go wavy hair, Messy French Twist is gonna be smashing for you. Cascaded Bliss. No matter you got round or oval square shape, it is gonna look fantabulous. Just make sure you have natural curls. For further details about this video, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.